The following message is to San Jose Police Department. At 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, there are many reports the train named VIA will begin to malfunctioning in progress, and that causes the train to fly around the city. This train will fly all directions in the city, and the train will try to kill people. Also, all the people inside the train will get injured and death because of the flying train. All residents in San Jose will stay in the homes. Don't go outside because the flying train will kill you. Stay tuned for more news and local area. The following message is to Tulare Police Department. 20 minutes later, the flying train are in San Jose. 10 minutes later, all the trains in San Jose are flying in San Jose. At 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, there are many reports the trains from San Jose is going to Tulare, California. All residents in Tulare will stay in the homes. Don't go outside because the flying trains will kill you. Stay tuned for more news and local area. The following message is to Houston Police Department. At 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, there are many reports the trains in Houston, Texas will begin to malfunctioning in process, and the trains will fly around Houston. All residents in Houston will stay in the homes. Don't go outside because the flying trains will kill you. Stay tuned for more news and local area.
Welcome to breaking news serving the Los Angeles area. There are many reports the flying trains named VIA are in San Jose and they went to Tulare, and the flying trains is at Houston, Texas. I will get on to play a song for right now.
I'll be honest, I'm alright with me. Sunday mornings, in my own bed sheets, I'll be waking up alone. I haven't thought of her for days. I'll be honest, it's better off this way. But every time I think that I can get you out my head, you never ever let me forget. 'Cause just when I think you're gone, hear a song on the radio. Just like that, takes me back to the places we used to go. And I've been trying, but I just
Hold on, I hear the flying trains. Oh no, I'm not going outside right now. Looks like a global emergency will affect all across the world.
that we used to know.
The following message is to United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A global emergency will affect the entire world. At 5:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, there are many reports all trains across the world begin to malfunctioning in progress and it causes to fly all across the world. Many injuries and deaths inside the trains when the trains begins to fly. All residents in across the world will stay in the homes. Don't go outside because the flying trains will kill you. Don't worry, the construction workers will press the clean button to put the trains back into a normal spot. Stay tuned for more news and local area. The following message is to United States government. All trains are now back in the normal spot. 5,000 deaths and 800 injuries are reported in all across the world. The construction workers and United States government thanks for putting all trains in the normal spot. This is a emergency action termination. All programming across the world will now resume. Stay tuned for more news and local area.
I think I'm